Hey everyone, welcome to Sperm, and today we are going to learn about top 7 insane iPhone hacks which will definitely make your life easier. So without wasting any time, let's get into it. Let's start with calculator app. Isn't it weird that the calculator app doesn't have a backspace button, but actually it got one. Not a button but a gesture to delete entered digit. To do that, just swipe right on the screen and now you won't need to clear the whole calculation. Do you want to take a quick measurement of a object but you forgot to bring the tape? Well, do not worry because your iPhone got a tape, that is the measure app. Inside the app, point at any corner of the object and click on plus button. At point to another corner, this app will show the distance between those two points. It can also detect shape and by clicking on the shape, you can get the exact size of the shape. If you want to hide apps in iOS, move all the apps you want to hide to same page. Hold on blank space on home screen and click on these dots and simply disable the page with the app you want to hide. If you also want to hide the app in search menu, go to settings, click on Siri and search, find your app there and turn off show app in search. iOS might advertise itself as a privacy-based OS. It still tracks you, but you can turn it off in settings, privacy and security, tracking and toggle it off. In iMessages, you can pin your location and send it to anyone just by typing I am at and click on the current location on the suggestion bar above the keyboard. If you want to use it in other messaging apps, then you can just do it by typing my address is and selecting whether you want to send your work address or your home address. With guided access, user can only use one application open on the screen. This can be useful when you have to give your iPhone to another person, but you want them to use only one application that is already opened on the screen. You can turn on guided access by going into the settings, accessibility, guided access and enabling it. Now, to enable guided access inside the application, just triple click on the side button when the app is opened. And again, double click or triple click to turn it off. You can select text from wherever you can see something written on the screen, even from photos and videos. Just pause the video where you see a text, hold on text and you can select option like copy text. Live text also works with handwritten text. So that is it for this video guys. Like the video, share and subscribe for more such videos and thanks for watching.